class. This is Coding in Python. An Introduction to Coding is the official title. And what I want to go over in this video is just the class website and an overview of the class. And so we can go ahead and move here to Chrome. And what you want to do is go to this URL. You've been there before, but what I've noticed in the class as I walked around is a lot of you have not bookmarked it. So what I want you to do is, at least go ahead and type this into your address bar and click on the star here. And when you click on the star, it will bookmark the site. And there's another thing you need to do. You need to come over here to the top right icon and go ahead and scroll down to bookmarks and say show bookmarks bar. And so when you do that, it's going to show this bar right here of all of the sites that you've bookmarked. So all you need to do when you open up Chrome is go ahead and click on the code SMUSD button, and it'll take you to the class website. Okay, and so the class is something that I've built in a tiered fashion. So we have like a basic level, we have an intermediate level, and then we have like an advanced level. And so depending on your experience, depending on your just natural aptitude, we'll go ahead and fit you in where you best fit, and we'll grade you accordingly. And so what I'm trying to do is take away the pressure, right, and just give you all an opportunity to learn to the best of your ability with the time that we're given. And so so if we could just kind of walk into class, let a deep breath out and not really worry too much about performing academically, but more be concerned about feeding your curiosity and exploring these lessons and asking questions and just really engaging the material, right? Because who knows, you might be at a basic level, you might have no experience coming in, and then when you leave, you might be like, wow, that was really cool. I really enjoyed learning about computers, and maybe I want to go ahead and continue learning, in the AP Computer Science class, or majoring in computer science in the college level, and that would make me extremely happy, right? And so, okay, so here we have the class website, and you can see we have week 1 here, and this is the home page. With the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to stack them on top of each other. So week 2 will go on top of week 1, and then week 3 would go on top of week 2, and so on as we move on to our march to, I think it's the 36th week, or I think maybe 38th week would be our end of year. And you always want to go ahead and click on the top link, because the top link is the most recent, right? So we had Monday that passed, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday was the most recent. So go ahead and click on that one to get the day's lesson. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on Thursday. That was yesterday. And you can notice here we'll have our objectives up at the top. And these are the things that I want you to come away with. Right? So you as a student will be able to do this at the end of the lesson. And then we have our ICT and CTE standards. Typically we use CTE standards, but I felt that they were a little bit lacking. They weren't specific enough. So I'm also going to be including the ICT standards. And although these are not very important to you, they are extremely important to the administration, and which means that they're very important to the teachers as well. And what these do, these ensure that somebody who is studying computer science at the high school level here at San Marino is getting a similar education to somebody who's maybe studying down in San Diego, or somebody who's studying in a different area of California. And so, thus far, and I hit run, oh no, print lines not defined. Okay, so maybe I can go back and just say print, hit run, and you can see down bottom we have hello world printed for the world to read, right? So that is Python Fiddle.